guys, how are you today? I just filmed this whole intro without my microphone on, so that was real smart of me. But basically, I know I look a little crazy right now. It's because I carved my eyebrows out, which I never do. Also, I'm starting with my eyes first today, so I don't know who I think I am, but I've been really getting inspired by Maddys Makeup on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel. I'll link those down below so you can go check her out. She's young and talented and so amazing at eyeshadow. It just boggles my mind. So I kind of want to try out some of her techniques and just kind of play around with some more color, because lately I've just been kind of dabbling in the safe zone of warm smoky eyes, because what else do I do anymore? So yeah, I'm gonna be playing around with a bit of color, so hopefully you guys stick around and let's just do our makeup together. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I honestly can't tell if I'm in focus or not. I'm gonna take this dark blue shade right here on this. My chair is burning. My chair is burning. My chair is burning. My chair was literally smoking. I mean, I know it's made of plastic, but like, why was it on fire? Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. That's a stupid idea. Okay, well, I know it's not saying a lot, but that was the most interesting thing that's ever happened on my YouTube channel. So basically the chair that the camera is sitting on is like a plastic cover, and I don't know if it was from just the sun or from like a mirror that I had like reflecting onto the chair. But yeah, my chair started smoking, so hopefully that doesn't happen again, because that was scary. I'm glad that I caught that. And yeah, so I scooted you guys back a little bit, so hopefully the lighting is still okay. I'm still sitting in front of my window, so the sun needs to just calm down a little bit. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Taking the NYX Swear By It palette, and I'm taking this shade right here on this little Step 1 for the Money brush from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Kind of in like a little bit of a C shape, I think. Because in Maddie's Instagram, she always like does multiple posts on each of her looks that you can like swipe through to like kind of see like how she created the look, more or less. Like you swipe through and she like holds the brush and like the step that she did that brush with, and I think it's really cool. And I also noticed that she doesn't really do transition colors when she's doing like a vibrant look. Like she'll kind of like blow everything out at the end, but typically she kind of goes in with like a dark shade first. So I'm kind of copying her technique a little, because frankly I wouldn't know how else to go about this. So, and plus like this is kind of like encouraging me to actually use my brushes, because typically when I do a look it's like I use 2 fluffy brushes and I just blow everything out all together and like call it a day. But this is like inspiring me to actually like use my tools, because I have so many brushes and I just don't use them very much. Okay, I'm gonna try taking this Luxie 131 mini angled brush. And now I'm gonna go into this maroon pink shade right here, which looks so beautiful. I love it. And I'm just gonna kind of like load it on there. I'm actually not having to worry about fallout because I did my eyes. I'm doing my eyes first. I just got pink eyeshadow all over my carpet. This is why I can't have nice things. Kind of just pack it in there. I'm actually kind of really digging how these colors are blending together. Like, it's not something I would ever probably normally do, but like I said, this is more of like an experimental type of look, just to kind of see what I can come up with and encourage me to actually step out of my comfort zone, play with new colors. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. contour brush right here, And I kind of want to add a little bit more blue in this area, so I'm actually going to dip into this palette. I'm going to take the shade Trance down here on this fluffy kind of contour brush. Hopefully this doesn't mess anything up. But I'm going to like pack it right in the outer V area. I have no idea where to go from here. Help. Okay, I really hope this doesn't end up looking weird, but I'm gonna try mixing this orange shade Hippie and this light pink shade right here. And I'm gonna use these to hopefully just try and buff everything out. But wow, I'm kind of shocked, you know, because it's like I've never started out with like my darkest color before. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. By the way, this brush is from a Quivange brush set that I got on Amazon. Super cheap, like literally, and they're so good. They're actually really good brushes. They aren't like stiff or pokey or anything. Like I've had these for probably a year or two now and they're still holding up just fine with washing and everything. So Amazon is where it's at. Dang, this is looking so cool. I just don't know what to do with like this space right here. So I could like, I kind of want to do like a cut crease situation, but I'm not very good at those, okay? Ooh, this brush is so tiny. It's like perfect for cut creases. Oh my gosh. Where's my, I'm gonna try and achieve kind of a cut crease right in here. And I'm gonna take some more of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's just so thick and like dense that it's really good for cut creases. Taking it on this teeny little brush. I think I got this brush from Vanity Planet in like a set. I get my brushes from like everywhere, you guys. The only thing, this concealer just does not smell great, but it works really good and I haven't had any like reactions to it, so. Okay, wow, that went so easy with this brush, no joke. Like, it was like, this is my new favorite thing. Okay, I need to figure out what color. Oh my gosh, I'm so stressed. I have no idea. I have no idea. Help. Yeah, I think I kind of want to do, I don't know if, I know I'm dipping into so many different palettes in this video, but I think I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Free Spirit. It's from the PUR Festival Palette. And it's just kind of like a white gold shade. Like, I don't know how to explain it very well. Not really like pigmented though. I'm going to try wetting my brush with some Urban Decay setting spray, which is getting all over my products. Great. I don't know, it's not really like as pigmented as I want it to be. Maybe if I use my finger? Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with that. I do need to blend this together though, so I think I'm gonna dip back into those blue shades from before on this teeny little brush. This is a Luxie mini round brush. Blend that in. I'm also actually, I'm dipping into a little bit of the shade Trixie, which is this shade right here, and patting that on too, because I feel like it's similar to the other color, and it's adding just a bit of intensity, which I really like. Yes, okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. These are the lashes in the style of Venus. I just popped them on real quick. Or sorry, the Koko lashes in the style of Venus. I just popped them on real fast, and I love them. We're like an OTP, you know? 1-2 pairing, these lashes, me. I just love them. Okay, moving on. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup now, so I'm probably just gonna fast forward you guys through all this. I'll have everything that I use in the description box below. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll finish off the eyes, and can't wait. Okay, you guys, face makeup is done. I'm really loving how this is all pulling together. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes right now. I think first I'm gonna take that maroon shade that we used earlier, this one right here, on that same brush that I used before. I'm gonna pretty much just blow this out on my under eye area. Well, I'm gonna like start by like packing it kind of. Oh, sorry, let me zoom you guys back in. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna like start by kind of packing that in and blowing that out a little bit. Because I kind of want this one to be a little bit more diffused and be like kind of more of the overall under eye color, if that makes sense. Trying to not let my eyes water, because that is not gonna be great for this look. I'm gonna take that blue periwinkle shade that we first used right out here on this little brush, the mini round brush, sorry. And I'm gonna start on the outer corner and start pushing that kind of inward. Just about like halfway, I think. I don't want to go like all the way in because I don't want to like darken my inner corners too much with this. But I do want it to be kind of like an intense blue. I'm gonna go back into that maroon shade, and I'm also gonna just dip a little bit into this light pink shade in this BH palette and really tap it off and go right on into like the most inner part of my eye, I guess, but not like the inner corner. Okay, just like that. I really like how that looks. I don't want to touch it anymore. So yeah, and then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of inner corner highlight, and I think I definitely know that I want to use this shade Spirit in this palette. I just love this shade. It's just so neat for inner corner highlight, and I think it'll kind of go together with the blues and pinks and everything. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh, I just have to do lips and I have no idea what I'm gonna do for that. Using my raw Sugar Lip Balm first and foremost. My lighting is starting to get kind of weird, so I'm kind of happy that I'm finishing this up right now. I think I'm just gonna stick with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Soap & Glory lipstick in the shade Super Nude. It's one of their matte lipsticks. And then I'm taking a little bit of the Wet n Wild Megacatsuit lip gloss in the center. This is in the shade Caught You Bare Naked. Whoa. I think that's it. I think I'm done. Wow. But yeah, I really like how this look came out. I'm really happy with it. Thank you, Maddys Makeup, for inspiring me. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I completely lost all of my footage there. But I just wanted to say thank you so much, Maddys Makeup, for inspiring me to step out of my comfort zone and create this look for you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe before you leave to become a part of the little fam we got going on here. Again, thank you just so much for watching, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.